Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights into today's top products. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best 4x6 paper on the market, the premium weight 32 pounds white sheets. If you're looking for quality and performance in your printing needs, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Stick around as we uncover all there is to know about this product. Let's start with an overview. These premium weight 32 pounds white sheets are designed to offer superior printing results and durability. Whether you're using them for photos, presentations, or everyday printing tasks, they promise to deliver crisp, vibrant prints with every use. The 32 pounds weight ensures that your prints feel substantial and professional. Now, let's talk about what sets these sheets apart. First off, they're engineered for compatibility with a wide range of printers, making them versatile for both home and office environments. The bright white color ensures that your prints pop with clarity, while the 4x6 size is ideal for various applications. From greeting cards to photo prints, when it comes to performance, these sheets shine. Users consistently praise them for their jam-free printing and smudge-resistant surface. This means fewer frustrations and more time spent enjoying your finished prints. Plus, the 32 pounds weight adds durability, making them less prone to tearing and creasing compared to lighter weight alternatives. So, is the premium weight 32 pounds white sheets worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're printing photographs, business documents, or creative projects, these sheets consistently deliver on their promise of quality and reliability. With their versatile size, durable build, and impressive print results, they've earned their reputation as one of the best 4x6 papers available on the market today. That wraps up our review of the premium weight 32 pounds white sheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Have you tried these sheets yourself? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy printing!